Okay, we are back for another review video. It's been a minute. This is going to be interesting. Got some action cameras. Right now it's just going to be unboxings. They're both by Akaso. One is the EK7000 Pro and the other one is the Brave 7LE. We're going to unbox them separately so I can break this down and we'll just see how they come out. Okay? So they're by the same company. So let's start with the EK7000 Pro. Since it's Pro, it actually looks a little bit less expensive. Okay, here we are. Got my handy dandy box cutter. So am I supposed to open it from the bottom? From the bottom, from the top, make it drop like it's hot, I guess, huh? You would think you'd open it from the top. Okay. Guess they wanted it like this for the presentation. So there we go. Bam. I guess they're trying to do like some of the GoPro. It's been a minute. Let's take that off. Boom. Okay. Just trying to completely ape on the GoPro here. Let's take this off here. Got it. Okay, there we go. And let's. Okay. I'll keep that on there for now. Try to get it open. Like I need a knife or something. There we go. Okay. Let's see, what's that say? Peel off the film on the camera screen, camera lens of the camera, and the waterproof case. Make sure the battery is fully powered or full of power for the first time use. Format the SD card. It says not included, but this kit, when I looked at it, line said it came with an SD card. We're gonna find out in a second. So I have a theory. This probably comes out like on GoPro. Good. There we go. That's what that was for. Okay, I'll figure that out later. The EK7000 Pro. That's little straps. Extra back for probably. Actually, that back looks different. You see, this one's smooth. This one has some little ridges in it, like ruffles. You tell me. I don't know. Comes with a lot of stuff. Like on a bike or something. Man. And you guys seen Dr. Strangelove? Talks about start doing all that stuff. It's like this like a good time in Vegas. Two prophylactics. Okay. Looks like a little. Oops. I guess a little cage for it. Let's see here. Oh, there it is. Okay. So this is the battery charger. Okay, I'm going to be very honest. This is, how can we put this? Very lightweight. Now we they just throw everything in here. Here's the battery. So we will put it in the charger. what I'm probably going to do with this sucker is like have it to put on my car, because this is something that falls off. I won't care. Driving down the street, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so I can plug it in, get it charged, uses USB-C. See there. And here is a USB-C. And I just make sure they don't have another USB-C where I can get C to C. I don't see anything. So what I'm going to do, I just happen to have on my power supply for all these lights and everything, USB-C. Let me plug this in. Okay, see, it's got 2 red lights. It's got a light for each one of them. Let's see what this big black thing is here. Okay, looks like a wrist strap. Silica gel. Kill the dog with that. More of these. Little remote. Wrist strap. Remote. Oh boy. And so there it is. There's your Akaso 256. See where we can put it in this sucker at. You know what? This is an unboxing. Oh, there it is. I'll see where it goes in here. Let's go someplace else. Oh, it goes right here. So let's put it there. Okay, and there was one right there. Little honey hole. Okay, so there we go. Just have to let those charge up a bit. I think I can go ahead and pull this off. And as soon as one of them batteries charges up, there we go. So I'm going to just give my little thing. I know this is an unboxing. This is very light. Doesn't compare to a GoPro, but I mean, for under $100 for all this crap you got here. So I'm going to probably do a driving video. That's what I'm probably going to use this for. I'm going to throw it on the hood on a magnetic or a suction. And I'm just going to drive around, and hopefully this, because I think it's supposed to be 4K. That's all we got for this baby here. Okay, so that was the Akaso 7000. So that was a review for the EK7000 Pro. Interesting entry-level camera. This was just the unboxing. I'm going to try to compare that to the GoPro along with the DJI series. We'll see what it comes out like. I'm probably going to do it with driving videos since I do a lot of them. Been trying to really build up my YouTube channel lately.